Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what Germans knew about the Holocaust. Many Germans were aware of the persecution of Jewish people, as propaganda had demonized them for years. Neighbors often witnessed the forced deportations of Jewish families from their homes and communities. While direct knowledge of the full scale of extermination camps was limited, the initial stages of persecution were widely visible. As atrocities escalated, direct information about mass killings was often suppressed by the regime. However, rumors and eyewitness accounts from soldiers and railway workers did circulate, providing glimpses into the horrors. Despite this, many Germans chose to ignore or deny the unfolding events, preferring to believe official narratives or simply look away from the uncomfortable truth. Millions of Germans were complicit in the Holocaust through various means, not just direct participation. Many benefited from the confiscation of Jewish property, acquiring homes, businesses, or belongings. Soldiers, police, and administrative officials directly participated in or facilitated the crimes, from rounding up victims to guarding concentration camps, making widespread ignorance highly improbable. After the war, extensive evidence presented during trials, like Nuremberg, revealed the full scope of the Holocaust to the world. While many Germans claimed ignorance, the sheer scale of the crimes and the involvement of so many made complete unawareness unlikely. Understanding this history is crucial for preventing future atrocities. For great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for links and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.